Hey guys, it's Nevada. Welcome back to my channel. I know I just made a food meal prep type of video most recently, but honestly that was back in like May and I just never got to actually editing it and putting it up. So things have actually changed since then. Basically, I am finally back on track with like being a little bit more healthy. Not that I was super unhealthy before, but I definitely was like binging a lot of snacks, reaching for a lot of junk foods, got into this pattern of like not really cooking all my meals. So when I say back on track to being healthy, what I really mean is just eating more whole foods, exercising more frequently, and also just walking more. Like I've really been getting my steps in and I feel like that's been helping a lot. Exercise wise, I have been going to the gym pretty much 5 to 6 times a week. Eating wise, I've just been eating healthier, period. And what's helped for me the most is having my food prepped. I have actually been meal prepping a lot, and I've been meal prepping not only food, like my meals, lunch and dinner, but I've also been meal prepping my snacks, which has been so easy and so convenient, so helpful. That way I just have everything ready to go, ready to eat when I'm hungry. It's been about 2.5 weeks now, and it feels really sustainable, more sustainable than some of the kind of healthy habits I've tried in the past. So I'm really liking the way that this is going, and I wanted to kind of share what I'm doing. I'm off today, and today actually I am gonna go to brunch with one of my best friends from vet school who I haven't seen in literally over 2 years. So there's no rules today. I'm eating and drinking whatever I want, but I do want to take you through maybe, you know, a few days, 2 days, 3 days of meal prepping and what I'm eating and kind of how it all works together. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hi! This is a weird start to the vlog, but I just got back from lunch, maybe brunch, maybe like an hour. No, it's actually been 2 hours. I ate a lot there, so I wasn't really hungry. But now I have a little bit of a sweet tooth, so I am gonna be eating some kiwi and banana as a little snack. And I just kind of wanted to talk about, although I'm sure like everyone else knows this, and not even I know this, it's just that it's like so hard to commit. I, after always craving things like chocolate or cookies or cake or whatever, am at this point where I'm craving fruits as my source of sugar. And it literally just because I actually strictly ate healthy for like maybe 4 days maximum, and by that point all of my cravings for like truly unhealthy salty things and truly unhealthy sweet things kind of disappeared. And so I now want something sweet and my brain goes immediately to fruit. And quick plug, that's how it was for veganism too. The first like few days I maybe craved like animal products. This is what, like 5-6 years ago, and then after that it became very easy. Once you get over that hump, your body just gets used to it and your taste buds get used to it, and then you just stop craving things. So anyway, I'm gonna eat. I only used half a banana, so I very quickly took the rest of it because it was quite a big banana, and I made overnight oats to just put in the fridge. So this is banana on the bottom, rolled oats, almond milk, and raspberries, frozen raspberries, which are actually really tart. I am straight up chilling, drinking my liqueur, playing video games. Django's sleeping on the couch over here, and Harriet is chilling down over there. If you looked at the background of any of my past videos, probably a little bit different from what it is now, but basically I'm finally adulting and got a real couch, not like one from Wayfair. Got it from Article, and then I also bought a real rug, you know, that true artwork pattern carpet, instead of like I had a shag rug from IKEA before. It looks like that. Basically some new purchases that I'm like really happy about, really proud of. I think she's waiting for that wire to move. Yeah. That's what she was doing. You're such a weirdo. So I have the Beyond Meat minced meat that I want to use up. So I'm just gonna do like a mini meal prep right now. Nothing too crazy, but I'll obviously show you what I'm making. So I wanted to make something that I could put into lettuce cups. So I figured like a Beyond Meat and mushroom mix. So I just chopped up some onions, chopped up my mushrooms into really small pieces, chopped up some jalapenos, and basically threw that all into a pan with the Beyond Meat ground beef version. This was so easy to make. The most important part of this is getting the seasoning right. So I used some liquid aminos, which is basically like soy sauce, some vegan fish sauce, a little bit of agave just for that hint of sweetness, and rice vinegar. And that's it. Ta-da! Guys, oh my god, I just found the most delicious granola ever. Golden chai. All of that Indian appropriation has actually been done right. It's from Whole Foods, and so like way overpriced. I'm pretty sure this bag was $4.99, but it is so good. And I basically store my granola in like an airtight sealed container, so I'm just transferring it over right now. So this is just a quick example of what I mean by meal prepping meals and snacks. So this is so easy for me to just throw in my lunchbox and take to work, or even just having it set like this in the fridge is, if I'm hungry and I want something to snack on, I have something tangible that I can reach for and not have to gravitate towards like chips or something unnecessary, because I binge, so I need something on hand. I have yogurt and blueberries, agave syrup, and peanut butter. I will add the granola to this later when I'm gonna eat it. And then I have my Beyond Meat mushroom little mix with spinach, because once I close this, the spinach will like wilt down, and so that adds more greens into it, and I'll probably eat that with like lettuce cups or rice or whatever. Oh, and then I forgot to show you this quick thing too. So I took a very boring can of Amy's lentil soup and basically spiced it up by adding some black beans, the leftover Beyond Meat meat. It needed some color, so I added corn and a ton of spinach and had that as my meal. Good morning, everybody. It is almost 7. And on weekends, my gym doesn't even open till 7, so I have a little bit of time. I'm gonna go walk Django first, then go to the gym, then go to work. I just wanted to show you my gym outfit. So this is from Oner Active. This is like my new favorite legging brand. I have 2 right now. This would be the one that I consider expensive. It's pricey, but worth it, because it's like 40 something or maybe 50, I'm not sure. And then my second favorite brand is 90 Degrees from Amazon, which maybe if I'm exercising tomorrow or another day, I will show you guys that too. And that's maybe in like the $25 range. So all of that will be linked in the description box. And then this top I just like tied up, but it's like, it has a lot of space here, which I love these tops for working out. It just gives me so much movement. And then the sports bra also from Amazon. So all of that will be linked in the description box. And I have to mention this very cute little windbreaker jacket from Figs, obviously. I wear Fig scrubs to work every single day, but it's also crazy how many Figs products I wear outside of work, because they just make so many styles of clothing, and it's all comfortable, all wearable. Alright, I'm back from the gym, and I'm gonna make my coffee into sort of a protein shake. So just blending together this iced coffee that I made a few nights ago with my protein powder. I have this chickpea salad that I made with chickpeas, bell peppers, tomatoes, bean sprouts, tahini dressing, hemp seeds, and then I added some Gardein fake chicken into it. So that'll be lunch. And then for snacks, I have my carrots, tomatoes, and hummus. And then I have my yogurt, which I'll throw in there and then add a Ziploc bag of granola. And then I made a quick breakfast for right now, which is just toast. I'm going to turn it into a sandwich by putting it together, but this is avocado, everything but the bagel seasoning, nutritional yeast. This is Miyoko's cream cheese. It's the scallion one with nutritional yeast and chili flakes on top. And I'm just going to make it into a sandwich. But that's breakfast. I'm going to go to work now. Remember I said I was going to use the Beyond Meat mushroom mix for lettuce cups? that is dinner. So I just heated it up, threw it on some romaine lettuce, and then drizzled some tahini on top of that. And so I'm very excited to eat this. This is gonna be my dinner. Good morning. I am off today. And I didn't mention this yesterday just because I was frustrated and I just wanted to kind of show my dinner and get the day over with. And I was at work, which was like a lot. But I re-injured my back yesterday. So I hurt my back. Hello. I hurt my back in January. It took about like 2 months, but finally in March I like felt better. From March to now, it's been like smooth sailing. Everything has been fine. And then yesterday morning I went to the gym, which I showed you guys that I was going. I felt the same exact spot, which is on my lower back. Basically, go bing. And after that, it hurt all day. And it's the same exact injury, like pain that I had the last time around. And so because of the fact that I already went through this, I'm definitely more nervous. So I'm going to the doctor. I have a sports medicine appointment this morning. So I'm gonna quickly go walk Django, get to the appointment, and I'll probably still work out, just like nothing lower body. I'm gonna take a true actual break and make sure that I recover properly this time around. I told you guys that I would show you the leggings from 90 Degrees. I think that's what it's called. I think it's 90 Degree. So I have these. It's actually like a dark forest green, teal green color. And they have like pockets on both sides, which is really comfortable. And the material is like, it's almost like silky. These are so comfortable. And then obviously this is just another color shirt in the same one that I wore yesterday. So again, links down below, but these are my favorite leggings from Amazon for working out. They are squat proof and the other ones are Oner Active. I am gonna make myself a quick iced latte before I go to my appointment. Hey all, I just got back from the doctor. Most likely like lumbar strain. So physical therapy, a few different types of medications, which I already picked up, and I am so tired right now just from like walking around and doing stuff, and I am gonna settle down, eat lunch, which I'll show you. It's just leftovers. Probably sit with an ice pack, watch some TV, take these medications, nap if I get sleepy, and I will check back in if and when I have the energy to kind of meal prep for the work week ahead. Hello again. I took such a long nap. It's like 8:45, almost 9 o'clock, but I wanted to prep a little bit of stuff because I do have to go to work tomorrow. So let me just show you what I'm doing real quick. These are pretty simple and straightforward, probably only good for like 2 or 3 days, but I have overnight oats with banana, pears, oats, oat milk, maple syrup, and then I have actually no maple syrup in here because that's sweet enough. Here I have yogurt. I always get unsweetened yogurt, so I add maple syrup or agave or something to it. And then here I got these like mini red bell peppers, and I filled a few up with cream cheese and then a few up with hummus. And then right now I'm really quickly cooking a stir fry noodle dish. I have like this peanut sauce that I bought from Whole Foods that I really want to try. So I just got a lot of frozen veggies, garlic, onion. We'll add the noodles in, add some tofu in, and then just mix it all together with the peanut sauce. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. I am ready for work, and I'm just going to get my lunchbox ready, make my coffee, and then head to work. I'm probably gonna end my vlog here because I've done like 3 days. You kind of get the gist of like how I'm meal prepping and what I'm making. And then also I really don't even need to cook anything anymore. I have so much food. Let me show you my fridge. I have so much stuff already and lots of fruits that I can cut up to eat as snacks. I have lots of containers of like lunch and dinner meals, so I definitely don't need anything else in terms of like meal prepping, so it doesn't really make sense to film anymore. So I'm just packing my leftover pre-packed hummus, tomato, carrots. These are my overnight oats. It's not really breakfast, it's more for when I want something sweet. And then these are the sesame noodles, peanut noodles that I made last night. Making coffee, and then I am gonna make some avocado toast right now because that is why I wake up in the mornings, is for avocado toast. That is pretty much it. I'm going to end the vlog here, go to work, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.